Welcome back, Lash family. Sending much love here from Beautiful Wands, showing you lashers, essential lash artist products, and where to get them. First, let's start with some lash artists or lash tech must-haves. If you want good retention, primer is a must-have because it rebalances the pH of the natural lashes and dries up any of that leftover oil that might be left over after cleaning. Next, of course, you'll need some adhesive. These are our best sellers, and they're all at different speeds. This one might seem like a no-brainer, but of course, you'll need some lashes as a lash artist, right? But don't be fooled. Nowadays, there are so many lengths, curl styles, the way they're manufactured, pre-made spikes, colors, so many options and varieties, different maps that you can do with these different types. So just keep your mind open, be artistic about it, be creative, try out different items and products and styles and see what works for you. The lash industry is always innovating. There's always something new coming out every single year. These are just a couple of Beautiful Wands' best sellers. You know, lash artists or lash tech favorites from all over the world. To see everything that we offer, it's best to just visit our website to see the full list of everything because it's honestly way too much to put into one video. Next lash artist must-have is iPads. Everybody needs iPads, and these are the perfect amount of sticky without pulling on those bottom lashes when you take them off. Next, we've got tweezers. You want to be open-minded about tweezers just like you're open-minded about lashes because there's so many different types of tweezers out there. How hard the grip is, the length of the tweezer itself all plays a role. So play around to see what tweezers work best for you. Next, we've got Bonder, which basically cures the adhesive within a couple minutes. If you're not already using it, you should, because clients don't have to wait the 24-hour rule to get them wet anymore. Total game changer. Here's a couple other really popular lash products amongst other lash techs, and the best place to buy them is directly on the brand's website. This is how you know you're buying directly from their warehouse and not a third-party seller. This is how you keep the quality of the products high and consistent. What is one lash product you can't live without? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next week.